Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all well. So in this video, we'll share another exciting bezel styling for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. As you can see at the moment, my husband has the Ringke bezel on the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which he applied a good few weeks ago. He really likes the Ringke bezel and the finish is really nice. However, he came across another bezel on AliExpress and he really wanted to try it out, so he's purchased that. So he'll apply that today and share his thoughts and our experience of shopping on AliExpress. So here we go.
So what I have got today is I have a new item that I got from AliExpress, and I'm going to put this on and show you. So where this Ringke bezel is, you've got this really nice sort of markings, proper stainless steel, premium. And then you've got these kind of grooves like gears. Gives this watch a really good look. I really like it. But I came across this in AliExpress. This is a similar one, a blue colored bezel ring. So you can see here there's markings, kind of a metallic blue. This is very light compared to the other one. It is metal. Definitely not plastic, it's metal, but it feels way lighter than the other one. Maybe a slightly cheap feeling compared to the other one. Definitely isn't stainless steel, I don't think. Although it did say on the description it was stainless steel. It's a blue color one, something different. I thought the blue color may go really well with the white watch that I have here. Because this silver one, as good as it is, it does blend in okay with the top. I thought maybe a blue one would look better, so I went for this. This only cost, I think, about £3.50 or something from AliExpress. So this is how it would look. So I want to put this on now and see what it actually looks like. I have a few concerns that it may not fit very well, maybe, because it does feel very, although it's got its adhesive at the bottom, it doesn't have the, it's not raised like, the other one has got a more of a presence. This one feels like really thin. So I'm not sure how you'll sit on top of the original bezel that watch comes with. So I'll be interested to see how that works out. Just to give you a close look up this one again. So here are the markings. Colors are beige of the numbers and the markings, and then the ring itself is blue, which should look nice on this watch and go well with this strap as well. Let's see. So I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the existing one off. Hope it comes off easily at the same time. I hope I can put it back on. This one, by the way, in the pack, I noticed does come with an additional adhesive. So if you want to reuse it later on, you can. This one probably did as well. I can't remember now. But let me just do this. These things, by the way, they stick down really, really hard. I mean, I can't even get my fingernail into this thing. And I don't want to break my nail, but very stuck on really well, as you can see. So it's not like it's going to come off very easily. I mean, I haven't had any issues. I've had it on for now bit. Oh, so here it goes. So put this down for a second. So anyway, there's a difference from the other side. Then if you can see the depth in the inner side here. It's quite a bit, whereas there's very little depth on this side, on this new blue one. Let's try a sound test. So you can, I think you can tell this one, that sounds like a proper ring, whereas this one slightly different. But let's do this anyway. Let's take this off and fix this thing on. So what I'm going to do, there's this marking here that I can apply this at the 12 o'clock position. So just to make sure I line it properly. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I mean, it does look nice. This blue looks really good, but I think I can see the issue I may have already with it. Although it's sitting on top, but it's not completely blocking, because look, I can still see the existing bezel, the ring bezel on the top there. I think it looks okay actually. I'm not sure if it looks better than the current one. Also, I think, I don't know if you can tell, but you can see a bit of the silver trim from the current bezel there, whereas on the other one, that wasn't visible. Also maybe because this one was silver, so you couldn't see even if it was. Whereas this one is blue, but you can see a slight ring. But I think that's kind of stuck on there now. And I've lined it well, I hope. Looks fine to me. Has stuck down well, I have to say. And in terms of it is slightly smaller than the one I just took off, the Ringke bezel. I mean, this one I say smaller. I mean, the other one was a tiny bit overlapping on the sides, whereas this one is kind of sitting nicely within. And actually, from this angle, look, it looks nice, I think. Maybe I'm not disappointed after all then, because I was kind of thinking for £3, I wasn't expecting much, to be honest. I was thinking I'm going to be disappointed, but no, actually I like it. I think it looks good. Goes really well with the blue strap, but it's not like everyone's going to have a blue strap, or am I going to be using the blue strap forever. But I think it does look quite nice with the white body of the watch. And then you got a bit of chromish here, then you got some frosted silver. So I like it. Not bad for £3. I mean, it took a while. You had to get through customs and all this stuff. Point to make here, it's not as raised as the other one, the Ringke bezel was, because that one was quite a bit raised. Although it didn't cause a problem, but sometimes if you're trying to do a message or something, or typing something on the keyboard, I did have some problems with any letters along the edges. Let's try this one anyway and see what happens. Put it on. So I have to say, this strap is a really favorite of mine. I don't feel like I want to change. It's just really comfortable and looks good. I'm thinking that maybe even buy another one when this one's kind of worn out. But here we go. So we have a blue watch face with this blue ring bezel now. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you think it looks good? Do you think it looks funny? I like it, actually. It's not too bad. I wonder how it would look with other watch faces. I'll try another couple of different watch faces. But I want to try a message or something and see. Let's go to Play Store. Try and type something in there. Search. So if I want to type something in, usually it's the letters that are along the edges. Sometimes it's difficult for your fingers to touch them, so especially if you're using swipe as well. So if I was to say, let me try test. Oh, that's quite easy. It's fine. M is fine. It's also working good considering I'm looking through the phone screen and not directly on the watch. But yeah, it's doing fine. So I'm pleased to report the swipe function isn't affected by the bezel at all. So just like on the Ringke bezel, it seems to work perfectly fine. As you can see, there's no issue with swiping at all, whether you're doing it from the side or from the bottom or wherever. I mean, it seems smooth and just works just like you'd expect, even if the bezel ring wasn't there. It does feel a slightly tiny bit sharp as you're swiping on the inside of the screen there, but it's all good, not a problem at all. Okay, let's try another watch face now. Maybe this one. I don't know, it may be a bit overkill with all the colors going on. You have the white, you have the silver, you have the chrome, and now you have the blue. Guess it's time to personal preferences. This one looks quite good. Yeah, I may actually stick to this one for now. Without the bezel, because of the color, it sort of blended in with the watch. So half the time you didn't know there was something stuck there because it looked part of the watch. This one kind of doesn't look part of the watch, so you know there's something stuck on. Let's try another couple of watch faces. That's looking good. The strap, the face, everything goes quite well. Another one. I do like this watch face. It's a traditional one on Samsung's watches. Definitely would like your feedback. If you think I should stick with this one or go back to the other Ringke bezel. Either way, I've got to have one of them, because I think it's also, in addition to enhancing the watch look of the watch, it's something that helps protect your screen and bezels from damage, because if you were to hit somewhere, that takes the impact first. I haven't really hit my watch anyway, but it gives me a peace of mind. I don't really even have to think about the watch getting scratched or anything. Whereas the Pixel Watch 3 is something you have to constantly remind yourself your watch may get scratched. I'm going to try another. How about this one? Blue. I mean, when I saw those kind of bezel on the Huawei Watch Ultimate, they had a green color one and they had a blue one. It was one other thing that really struck out for me, but those were obviously made of ceramic, so it was very proper premium. Obviously this is a very cheap alternative. Let's try another one or two faces. This one, maybe one more. And I prefer analog watch faces as opposed to really the fancy digital ones. Analog ones make the watch look more classic, and this watch obviously goes quite well. There's no bezel to worry about, everything, though you get the full watch face. We'll have a review coming up soon of the watch. I've had it since its release now. Initially had the black and orange version, and now I've using this since beginning of August, since it got delivered. And I have to say, I've actually never enjoyed a Samsung watch as much as this one. So look out for this review will be coming soon. We'll do a proper detail run through our experience of everything. Maybe try this one. Actually, what I'll do, I'm going to just try with a different color, because yeah, maybe white, because then the bezel really I guess stands out a bit more. You can see the difference between the watch face and the bezel. Anyway, I think this video doesn't need to be any longer than what it is, but just wanted to share this and get your feedback as to what you think. I do like it. I'm still not sure if I like it as much as this one. Like, if I have to put this back on top. Which one? This one? Or this one? Well, I'll stick to the blue for now and see how it goes.
So that's all for today, guys. We hope you find the video informative. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. And don't forget to keep your notification bell on for our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.